Unboxing and installation video tutorial Lynx 25SLYNXi25M. Tool preparation. Use scissors to cut off the 3 packing straps, then remove the packing carton. Remove the accessory packing carton. Place it aside for later use. Remove the front wheel rim assembly. Place it aside for later use. Unfasten the binding strap tied at the front of the handlebars. Use the M14 socket to remove all the fixing bolts under the iron frame. Remove the upper half of the packaging iron frame carefully. Remove the packaging bags and EPE foam. Remove the number plate from the lower triple clamp. Place it aside for later use. Remove the front fender from the rear wheel. Place it aside for later use. Cut the cable ties that secure the vehicle body on both the left and right sides of the motorcycle. Use a 14mm box end wrench to hold the front wheel axle in place, and then use a 17mm box end wrench to remove the front wheel axle nut. Lift front shock absorbers slightly to avoid pressing the front wheel axle, then remove the axle. Place it aside for later use. Lift motorcycle off iron frame, place on maintenance stand for installation. Cut cable ties securing the handlebar, then remove it. Cut cable ties securing rear shock absorber and EPE foam on rear swing arm right side, then remove EPE foam. Cut cable ties securing rear shock absorber, EPE foam, side stand, foot pegs and gear shift lever on rear swing arm right side, then remove EP foam and bubble bags. Unpack the accessory packing carton and take out the accessories. Install lower pressure block. Align lower pressure block with lower triple clamp mounting holes. Insert mounting bolts from below clamp into holes to secure the block. Adjust lower pressure block angle properly, then use M8 hex key to tighten it. Install upper pressure block. Place handlebar into lower pressure block groove. Remove protective film from handlebar tube during installation. No demonstration here to prevent scratching handlebar. Place upper pressure block over handlebar. Align with lower pressure block mounting holes, then manually screw mounting bolts into holes. Then use M6 hex key to tighten upper pressure block. Remove bubble bags and plastic bags protecting handlebar grips. Install front fender. Use M8 socket wrench to remove front fender mounting bolts on lower triple clamp. Install a flat washer on each mounting bolt. Pass mounting bolts through front fender mounting holes, manually screw into lower triple clamp holes, finally tighten with M8 socket wrench. Install license plate. Use M8 socket wrench to remove license plate mounting bolts on upper triple clamp. Snap front brake hose into license plate limit slot, then insert limit pin under license plate into front fender limit hole. Pass removed mounting bolts through license plate upper mounting holes, then use M8 socket wrench to tighten the plate. Secure front headstock wiring harness with frame cable ties. Use M4 hex key and M8 open end wrench to loosen brake hose clip on left front shock absorber. Place brake hose into brake hose clip, then tighten the clip. Install front wheel. Remove front brake limit tab. Unscrew front wheel axle nut. Remove 2 front wheel spacers. Pass front wheel axle through right front shock absorber, then slide on short front wheel spacer. Align brake disc with brake pad gap, then insert the disc. Lift front wheel, align with mounting holes, then pass front wheel axle through. Place long front wheel spacer, align with mounting holes, pass front wheel axle through, then screw on front wheel axle nut. Use M14 box, end wrench to hold front wheel axle. Then use M17 box, end wrench to tighten the nut. Install foot peg gear. Use needle nose pliers to remove cotter pin. Align foot peg gear hole with foot peg bracket mounting hole, then insert clevis pin. Insert cotter pin into clevis pin mounting hole, then use needle nose pliers to bend the pin. Install rear shock absorber. First, remove rear brake hose. Lift rear wheel, align rear shock absorber mounting hole with swing arm mounting hole, then pass fixing bolt through. Screw on nut by hand. Use M14 box end wrench to hold nut. Tighten rear shock absorber with M13 socket and socket extension bar. After installation, reset the rear brake hose. Install chest protector and breathing tube. Insert breathing tube into fuel tank cap breathing hole. Then, secure breathing tube with cable tie on frame right side. Keep breathing tube ventilated, do not over-tighten cable tie. Peel off Velcro of chest protector cover, take out chest protector sponge. Stretch chest protector sponge mounting groove by hand, snap into crossbar. After installing sponge, wrap chest protector cover over it and fasten Velcro. Unscrew seat cushion quick, release bolt, remove protective film, reinstall seat cushion in place. Entire vehicle assembly complete.